Hi guys, it's Kat again with our first fun project, and we'll do-it-yourself bubbling lava lamp. Lava lamp can be an interesting and easy project to make and a great party decoration. We will need water, cooking oil. I'm using sunflower oil, but can be any other vegetable oil. Fizzy tablets. I'm using vitamin C, but can be any other fizzy tablets you have. First, prepare water, about a quarter of the way up. Then fill the rest of vase with the oil. Just see how oil and water doesn't mix. They don't mix because they have different electric charges. And they have also different densities. Water is denser than oil. That's why it sits on the bottom. Now we can add few drops of food coloring. You can add any food coloring you like. I'm adding black food coloring. You can also mix different colors. Just notice how food coloring does not mix with oil. Again, food coloring is made with water. That's why it doesn't mix with oil. Okay, and finally, we will have to add fizzy tablets. So I broke mine into smaller pieces just to create some more extra bubbles, but obviously more pieces you have, you will have more bubbles. And there you go. Your own do-it-yourself lava lamp. Make sure you take a picture and post it on our socials. Have fun, show off, and don't forget to share and like.